Imagine I'm a teacher who needs to enter grades from an exam my students took. I'm not sure how many I need to enter, so I'll create one array list to store the students' names and another to store their grades. I'm entering the grades in alphabetical order by the students' names for Aisha, Briley, Celeste, etc. The ArrayList class has methods for adding and changing values in a list. There are two ways to add to an array list. The first way adds an item to the end of the list. We'll add Aisha's grade by saying the name of the array list dot add. We pass the value we want to add as its argument. Now let's add Celeste's grade. We forgot to add Briley's grade. We can use the other version of the add method to add an item at a specific location. We want to add Briley's grade at index 1 before Celeste's grade. To do this, we say the name of the array list dot add. We pass the index where we want to add the item and the value to add at that location as its arguments. To make sure we entered the grades correctly, we can loop through the list just like a 1D array. When we loop a 1D array, we use the length of the array in the condition of our for loop. With an array list, we need to use the size method to get the number of items in the array list. In the body of the for loop, we use the get method to get a value from a list. Just like a 1D array, we want to specify the index we want to retrieve from the list. Inside the print statement, we can say names.get and use the loop control variable index as the argument to get the students' names. We can do the same to print the grades. Oops, we forgot to give Briley the extra credit points they earned for coming after school for tutoring. To change a value in a list, we use the set method, so we can say grades.set, then specify the index we want to change and the new value. With these methods, we can easily add, change, and retrieve items from an array list.